Hey, hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what will happen when you place a maxed bet in the Thanksgiving Partners event. Now this is something I've never done before. I've collected 1700 gloves and I'm going to spend them all in 2 spins. So I reckon we should go for the top prize right here and check what will happen. We only need 33,000 points, and if I place a max bet it will go to times 30, so we have to hit this one at least once. So let's pray and find out what will happen. So the first spin, here we go. Okay, it's decent, 9,000. And now the second spin, here we go again. Not that well. And now let's do a final one with the times 20. Yeah, was it worth it? I don't think so. But we almost are at the half of the top prize, so I'm just keep on grinding with this new event. I hope you are actually getting a lot of gloves in this event, and I wish you all the best of luck. Bye bye.